Hello and welcome to our quick introduction to CBD oils. Today we're going to talk about what you'll expect to find when looking for that perfect CBD oil. The first thing we're going to talk about is what is inside the CBD oil. Generally you're going to have between 2 and 3 ingredients. The first one being the hemp extract. This is what carries the cannabinoids inside it and gives its health benefits. There's 3 different types of CBD oil that you'll generally find. First up is the isolate. So this is just one cannabinoid isolated on its own. So this could be CBD only, CBG only, or any number of different ones. Then you're going to have the full spectrum CBD oil. Now this is all of the cannabinoids from the hemp plant and gives you the full range of benefits. Finally, you have the broad spectrum. This is essentially full spectrum but with the THC taken out of it. The second ingredient you'll find is the carrier oil. So cannabinoids need to be held in some sort of fatty oil just to suspend them and actually be able to give you its benefits and transfer them to you. Generally this is either olive oil, hemp seed oil, or some sort of MCT or coconut oil. But it can be any fatty oil really. What you prefer is totally up to you. It will change the taste a little bit, but also change the benefits. We personally prefer the hemp seed oil because of its omega-6 and omega-3 benefits. The final thing you may find inside your CBD oil, if you wish, is either flavourings, if you don't like the raw taste of CBD, or added nutrients. So this could be used to help supplement your diet with other nutrients throughout the day so that you don't have to take lots of different multivitamins. You can just get it in one hit. Exactly which one is best for you is totally dependent on your situation. We have more information on these different ones and how to choose what's best for you. Most oil come in a bottle of about 10 ml like this, or you can get them in bigger bottles of 30 ml or even 100 ml if you really know what you want. They come in strengths of between 1% and up to even 40%. Generally we recommend people get something between 2% and 20% because once you get up to 40% you have to look after it a bit more and even soak it in a bath of warm water just to separate it out a little bit. We talk more in depth about dosing in our other guides. Some other things you want to look out for when looking for your CBD oil is it organic, is it GMO free, and is it lab tested? All the oils on Hempanion.com have been thoroughly checked for quality, but if you're looking elsewhere, make sure you check for those lab tests and that quality indicator. The best way to take CBD oil is simply to drop it under your tongue and hold it there for 30 to 60 seconds and then you swallow it afterwards. Most CBD oils come with a little pipette, so you can take out your desired amount, drop the amount of drops that you want and hold it there before swallowing it. You can add it to your food and drinks, but you'll get the most out of your CBD by just dropping it under your tongue. Most CBD oils you generally take between 2 and 3 times a day, and you'll have between 2 and maybe 5 or 6 drops depending on the strength of the oil. But you should always check what the manufacturer recommends before taking each oil. Some of the advantages of a CBD oil are that it comes in a small bottle usually, so it's easy to carry around. The pipette makes it nice and easy to get the exact dose that you want. And finally, it's one of the best ways to get CBD into your body. You'll get the most out of the CBD. Thanks for watching this quick introduction to CBD oils. You can find out more on our guides. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask on Hempanion.com.